friends, welcome to Enjoy Food and Travel. I hope you all are well. Today I have made video on all the lentils and the beans used in Indian cuisine. There are many types of lentils and beans used in Indian food recipes. Lentils are staple food of India, especially for vegetarians. Lentil curry is part of everyday diet, eaten with both rice and roti. These are also used to prepare soup, stews, pancakes, paranthas and desserts. Lentils are high in protein, vitamins, minerals, fiber and low in fat. That's why it's a perfect choice for vegetarians, and it's also a good option who are looking for meat substitutes. So let's start our video. This is the whole black lentil. This is the split black lentil. This black lentil is commonly used in northern part of India, and it's quite popular lentil. So split version of this one is this one, split black lentil, but it's the same. Now this is the dehusked black split lentil. It is also called as urad dal. It is extensively used in southern part of India, and it's very famous lentil. Now the skinless version of this lentil makes the dehusked black split lentil, but both are same. All the poppadoms mainly are made up of this lentil. This is red lentil. This is very popular lentil in all over the world, easily available, inexpensive and nutritious lentil. And this lentil requires very short time to cook and have a distinctive earthy flavor. This is green gram or mung bean. According to Ayurveda, soup of this bean provides detoxification, restores gut health, and an amazing and healthy way to lose weight. People also sprout them and use as a salads or stir fries. So it's again a very popular bean. Now the split version of this one is called as split mung beans or split green gram. You can see it's in the split form. The split version of green gram is called as yellow lentil. It is again a very popular lentil and commonly used in many states of India. And this lentil also doesn't take longer time as it is skinless. The combination of red and yellow lentil makes a very delicious curry called as dal tadka, and it is very popular dish of India, especially among vegetarians. This is yellow split peas called as chana dal. These lentils have a sweet and nutty taste. It comes from chickpea when outer husk is removed. These lentils are also powdered to give chickpea flour. This is pigeon peas called as tuar dal. It is most widely used form of lentil. Popular recipes like South Indian sambar, famous puran poli are made using this lentil. It takes a little bit longer time to cook. So I'll show you the difference. This one is, you can see it's more of bigger size, but this pigeon peas is smaller in size. You can see the difference. Size is smaller, but the shape is the same. This is horse gram. It is reddish, oval shaped, brown color, flattened and glossy skin lentil. It is highly nutritious. In Ayurveda, this lentil helps in treating kidney stone. It is packed with protein and full of antioxidants. These rectangular bean-shaped beans are called as Turkish gram, dew gram bean or moat beans. Popular recipes, sprouted moat chaat and matki are made using these beans. These beans are rich source of nutrients such as mineral, vitamin, calcium and protein. This is white chickpeas, which are bigger in size than black chickpeas, and there's a color difference as well. And this is red kidney beans. All these beans are quite popular in northern part of India. These are black-eyed beans, also called as cowpeas. They are generally very pale in color and feature a large black, brown, red spot that resembles an eye. Black-eyed beans have strong savory flavor and often considered a staple in both Indian and traditional southern cuisine. Black-eyed beans are incredibly nutrient-dense, packed with plenty of fiber and protein.